viewers to our novel tutorial class. Today we'll be looking at a simultaneous equation that has to do with a quadratic equation inside it. So we say solve the equation x minus y is equals to and x squared plus y squared is equals to 52. Okay, now this is a simultaneous equation and one of the equations is in a quadratic form, but nevertheless we are not afraid. We are going to resolve this equation. So the solution now. So we know we have three methods of solving simultaneous equation. We have the substitution method, we have the elimination method, and we have the graphical method. The best equation to use here is the substitution method. And when you are using, you start with the smallest equation, the equation 1. We say starting with equation 1. Are you there? So we have x minus y is equals to 2. Now here, we decide you want to make the solid of the formula. So let's make x solid of the formula. So if you are making x solid of the formula, remove this one over, change it from minus to what? Plus. So you have that x is equals to 2 plus what? Y. Now, this is now our equation what? 3. So we now say substitute equation 3 in equation 2. We cannot substitute this equation 3 in equation 1 because equation 3 itself was gotten from equation 1. So we now substitute it inside a fresh equation, and that is equation 2. So it means that whenever you see x, you replace it as 2 plus y in equation 2. So we have x squared plus y squared is equals to 52. So x now, you now replace it with 2 plus y squared plus y squared is equals to what? 52. Now, this thing now means 2 plus y and 2 plus y plus y squared is equals to 52. So open the brackets. You have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 times y is 2y plus 2y plus y squared is equals to 52. This y squared is this one, and the one we have is y times y. So we now have 4 plus 4y plus y squared is equals to 52. And these 2y squared can add themselves because they are like them. So when you add them, we now have plus 2y squared is equals to what? 52. So now this one and this one are like times. You move this one over, changing from plus to what? Minus. So you have 4y plus 2y squared is equals to 52 minus what? 4. So we now arrange them in the quadratic nature. The 2y squared comes first plus 4y is equals to, when you minus this, you should be having 48. So you see that all these numbers here can be divided by 2. So you divide all of them by 2 to break it down to the lowest end. So you have y squared plus 2y is equals to 24. So this is a quadratic equation. So let's use the completing square method to solve it again. So we now have using completing the square method. So we have we now ask ourselves, y squared is already a unit. We have y squared plus 2y is equals to 24. Y squared is already a unity. So the next thing we need to do is to multiply the coefficient of y by half and square it to both sides. The coefficient of y there is to multiply it by half to give us 1. Square it to both sides, you have y squared plus 1 squared is equals to 24 plus 1 squared. And when you bring them together, you have y plus 1 all raised to power 2 is equals to 24 plus 1 raised to power 1. 1 raised to power 2 is 1. So you have y plus 1 is equals to 25. Y plus 1 raised to power 2 is equals to what? 25. So y plus 1 is equals to square root of 25, and you have your plus and what? Minus. So y plus 1 is equals to plus or minus 5. We have that y is equals to plus or minus 5 minus 1, when 1 is crossing the equality sign. So you have y is equals to plus 5 minus 1 or minus 5 minus 1, and y is equals to 4 or minus 6. And we know that our y should be positive and y is equals to what? 4. because it's what? Positive. So if we are looking for our x now, we have gotten our y. Looking for our x, we now say substitute y value in equation 3. Third equation, we have x is equals to 2 plus what? Y. Our y is already 4, and x is equals to 2 plus 4, and x is equals to what? 6. And that is the answer. So in coordinate form, x and y is equals to your x is 6 and your y is 4. And that is the answer to this question. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe.